Welcome back to SBK LOCO. I've had a lot of people ask for some more basic intermediate salsas. I have a nice little combination for you. Combine some turns. We're gonna add a little bit of Cuban style in there as well. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go through the whole pattern and then we're gonna break it down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Just like that. Maybe some of you are watching us. That's not basic. So challenge yourself a little bit. Okay, so we're going to start off easy with the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is important to keep this hand up on 7 to give myself space. It's always better to set up your move before you start so it doesn't come as a surprise. So for example, if I'm just coming in, she's going to get thrown off. Okay, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to step out. My hand is down. Very important when you put yourself into kind of a hammer lock that your hand is down. If it's here, boom, I'm going to smash into her. So I'm going to step out. 5. Bringing the hand back in. 7. When you're doing this move, you kind of want to feel the rhythm in it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's kind of like a loop out and back feeling. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to send her for an outside turn from here. So I want to make sure that I prep her towards my chest. So 1, 2, 3. This is going to give her that indication that she's going to go for outside turn. So this is opposite. And 1, 2, 3 towards my chest. And 5, 6, and 7. When I'm going for a double hand turn, I'm just holding like this. I'm not locking her up because she needs to spin. So for example, if I'm like this and I try to send her for a spin, it's going to, I'm not going to give her a smack in your head. So here, I'm just lightly holding with my fingertips, making sure that she has a base. And then I'm just going to up and around back here. In this case, we're going to go for a hair comb. 1, 2, 3, and send her for crossbody. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hair comb. 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead. On here, I'm going to kind of hold her on my 6 and send her out on 7. From here, we're going to kind of do a Cuban step together. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow until the song is over. Just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Now, when you're doing this movement here, you can watch me. I want to make sure that I'm using my chest. So when I'm stepping together, 7, I'm out here. And then step, step, out, step, step, out. So see my chest is following my foot. I'm not just going like this and here. So together, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to go into a reverse crossbody lead. So I'm going to send her forward with my energy. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to step out of the line. Now I'm going to send her back. Glide and keep the connection. So 1, 2, 3. Glide and connect. And coming up, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very important for the leaders. When you're coming in for a hair comb, your hand needs to go upside down and create a window. You can see a window there. Window. So here, as I'm rotating, I'm going to go up into a window and then apply. Very soft. If you come like this, it's not going to have style and it's not going to look good. So you're bringing her in. You're going to rotate to a window, come up. 1, 2, 3, prep. And 5, 6, 7. and back in. Da, 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 da. One more time from this angle. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Send her back. 1, 2, 3. Connect with the energy. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Just like that. Okay, musica.